and rotate the universal plier, not the Adams, otherwise it will distort the Adams, like this. Then compress it after we have completed a circle, like this. Now two beaks are converted into the retentive tags and everything is parallel completely. Now you can see the adaptation is very fine, only the last diagram part is not adapted, so we need to mark 2 points again, otherwise everything is perfectly adapted. So only retentive tags needs to get adapted into the lingual aspect, so giving it slight inwards bend. And check for the parallelism again. No, not